everyone. Hope you all are doing good. In today's DIY, I have created a decorative handcrafted tray using old cardboard box. Now the box which I am going to use came along with a board game. Now my daughter has outgrown that game and she is not using it anymore. The box is quite sturdy, but still I used 2 layers of the boxes and then I created this beautiful tray. I've also tried my hand on Pichwai painting. Now Pichwai painting is one of the very old form of Indian arts which was mainly used for depicting tales of Krishna. So without further ado, let's get started.
Right there on top of the moon, you can sit and do nothing.
So these are the 2 boxes which I'm going to use. I have fixed them together using masking tape and then I gave a coat of pink acrylic paint. I also painted the top edge of the box using mustard yellow color, and this is how it looks after it is painted. To fill the sides of the tray, I'm using this 1-stroke painting technique. It's easy to make and also very fast.
How we watch things the kids walk away. Let's live down by the water.
Now for the design which I'm going to create in the center of the tray, I have taken a piece of paper, give a random shape I have taken, and on this I'm going to create the motifs from Pichwai painting. Famous motifs are lotus and this cow figurine. I'm using light and dark pink color for the lotus. Background will be blue. Now those who have seen my previous videos, I have shared I always prefer to draw on paper as it's easier to draw and paint on paper, and in case you make any mistake you can always restart without spoiling your DIY product. But this is my way of doing it. You can definitely draw directly on the surface if you're confident in painting and drawing such things.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait.
After completing my painting, this is how it looks. Then I used outdoor Mod Podge to fix this design in the center of the tray, and I also covered it on top to make it more durable and waterproof. And I created these flowers on the corner because the tray was looking really empty. And this is how my tray looks. You can style it in different ways. This tray is definitely not sturdy enough for using as a serving tray, but definitely you can use it for decorating your tabletop or side corner tables.
Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good I'll be okay. Miss you like an old friend.
It's a very easy DIY which anybody can try. So I hope you like the video, and do like, share and subscribe our video for more such easy DIYs. Thanks for watching.
Now thinking I should call up.